Welcome to this tutorial on building a no-code AI agent in N8N. N8N is a workflow automation tool that allows users to create custom workflows without writing code. To start, you need to have N8N installed on your system. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official N8N website. Once installed, open the N8N workflow editor and create a new workflow. The first step in building a no-code AI agent is to choose an AI service. N8N supports several AI services, including Google Cloud AI, Microsoft Azure AI, and IBM Watson. For this example, we will use Google Cloud AI. To connect to Google Cloud AI, you need to create a new node in your workflow. Click on the Add Node button and search for Google Cloud AI. Select the Google Cloud AI node and configure it with your Google Cloud AI credentials. Next, you need to configure the AI model. N8N supports several AI models, including text classification, sentiment analysis, and entity recognition. For this example, we will use text classification. To configure the AI model, click on the Google Cloud AI node and select the text classification model. You can then configure the model with your specific requirements, such as the text to classify and the classification labels. Once you have configured the AI model, you can test it by clicking on the Execute Node button. The AI model will then classify the text and return the classification results. Finally, you can use the classification results to trigger other actions in your workflow. For example, you can use the results to send an email or create a new task. Best practices for building a no-code AI agent in N8N include starting with a simple workflow and gradually adding more complex nodes and configurations. It is also important to test your workflow regularly to ensure it is working as expected. In conclusion, building a no-code AI agent in N8N is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps and using the N8N workflow editor, you can create custom AI workflows without writing code.